Hello guys, so niko na msuka mtoto yangu lakini si msuki. Nilimvumua nyele, apra kumvumua napenda nimchanue kwanza.
And we take shower.
I'm take shower, after take shower naanza kumchanua nyele, mchanua.
And then we go play outside.
Yes, I'm go play outside. So, come on.
Okay, Daddy, can I suck this a little bit here?
You want there?
Yeah. Because we want to see my face.
If you put this, it's not good. Yeah, maybe if you put it, if I put here. Niko na mvumua, nishaisha kumvumua mtoto wangu nyele.
Now Daddy chanua
mai, so hapa
now Daddy chanua me.
After that, we are going after. No.
Go outside to play.
Maybe, but okay, you can wait. Your mama is coming then to
go outside to play.
So guys, hapa niko namchanua nyele. After kumchanua nyele, maybe tutaenda naye nje kucheza.
With Daddy.
Nilimvumua na msukulamo sana. Jeke tenyele niingia. Na mchanue, after kumchanua. Oh. Inaluma?
No. Inaluma.
Oh.
Daddy, what's look? Why? What's look?
Because camera to follow you, but I remove it. But
Daddy, camera no follow me.
Guys, see my beautiful baby. So niko na mchanua after pale na msuke nyele.
Yeah.
Tamsuka mimi mwenyewe nitakusuka hizo, okay?
You suka yourself?
Not like.
Daddy will let you suka me.
You want to suka?
Huh?
You want?
Duh.
Naluma?
Yes, sir. What's a luma? Daddy, I can see your mouth. Your mouth. And I can see my mouth.
So, wait.
Huh?
Stand up. Guys, be careful there. Utakanyanga moto.
Daddy, I just want to say something.
Acha, don't touch. So, guys, mtoto yangu hapa yuko na 5 years now.
5 years old.
5 years and 1 month. Which one?
This one. That's that one.
That?
No, not this channel. That
Yes.
one. Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah. Why? No, it's Chanoa.
Mnasema koje? Juu ya baba kusuka mtoto yake, juu ya baba kutengeneza mtoto yake kichwa.
Daddy
Baba na mtoto
tengeneza
yake.
my kichwa.
I'm a good daddy.
And when I was taking
Because
the sick baby to her room, and then he screamed like this. And then Picado. In it. Zero vaccine. No, don't know. Zero vaccine. Ay. And my daddy is good daddy.
Wow, that's good. I'm a good daddy. You sure?
Yes,
Why?
because daddy suka me. That is
Take
good.
care of you.
Yeah, but uncle just a good uncle. Uncle just buy this for me because it's my favorite game.
Guys, anko wake ashakwenda.
He go to Helsinki first and then he go Canada.
Yes. Alipandaka avion, alipandiaka Helsinki. That's why nimekata And Helsinki.
And then he go Canada.
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 Canada. Canada he go. Daddy, Canada is good. Canada and Canada is not the same of Canada. Canada. And when Daddy also work in school, Daddy come and take me from school back. And
hey, my beautiful wife. My beautiful wife, I miss you.
I miss you.
I know you are at work, but I miss you too much. I miss you. And you?
Daddy, can you do like roll up the hair?
Don't touch, Mama.
Roll up the hair, and then you put you take pampula, you put pampula to my hair. Me want like that.
Wait till I finish.
My maskio is baridi.
Na papa Chichi tozali elongo, tozali koka bola bomoi na biso. Na YouTube ezali ndako na biso, sika ya bolingo pesengo. Franco vlog mpe histoire en famille, nyonso ezali mpona bino. Mokolo nyonso bozali kozela, kasi mokolo moko ezali spécial. Motema lobi malembe, vendredi ekoya. Chaque vendredi boyawa, tokozela bino na bolingo nyonso. Mama Mado azali kobenga bino, papa Chichi azali pene na ngai. Amour, confiance, esengo nyonso, tokabola yango na bino. Famille moko tozali awa, bozanga te vendre lingo nyonso. Soki ozali na mawa boyawa, okokuta esengo na motema. Soki ozali yo moko kobanga te, fami na biso ekoyamba yo. Bayaya nyonso